Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
The sage thus regretted the sin committed by his own son. He did not take the insult paid by the king very seriously. The whole incident is now cleared up. Maharaj Parikshit's garlanding the sage with a dead snake was not at all a very serious offence, but Shringi's cursing the king was a serious offence. The serious offence was committed by a foolish child only. Therefore he deserved to be pardoned by the Supreme Lord, although it was not possible to get free from the sinful reaction. Maharaj Parikshit also did not mind the curse offered to him by a foolish Brahmin. On the contrary, he took full advantage of the awkward situation, and by the great will of the Lord, Maharaj Parikshit achieved the highest perfection of life through the grace of Srila Shukdev Goswami. Actually, it was the desire of the Lord, and Maharaj Parikshit, Rishi Shamika and his son Shringi were all instrumental in fulfilling the desire of the Lord. So none of them were put into difficulty because everything was done in relation with the Supreme Person.